American. Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 certificates that is necessary for your nanny application process in 2020. So what are the 5 certificates are? The certificate number 1 is your education certificate. You should have at least 13 years of academics. In India, as you know, that +2 is counted as 12 years, and you should do any other course after +2. It can be a diploma, a degree, or any other kind of courses after +2, which will be counted as 13 years of academics. And one more thing, the certificate, it should not be from any private school or private college or private institution or something. So the certificate should be from a valid institution itself, so valid university or an autonomous college, because otherwise boards are okay. Means technical boards or Punjab government or boards or something like such kind of boards are okay. Otherwise, it should be from a university or an autonomous college itself. So that's the first step, that you should have at least 13 years of academics or more. So it can be a diploma, it can be a degree, or it can be a technical course or something. So technical course, it doesn't mean that you do any computer course or something for otherwise mechanical fitter or such kind of courses. It should be something like it can be a degree, a diploma, a BCom, BA, or otherwise GNM, ANM, BSc nursing, BCom, or you have done your ETT course. So any course can be counted as your qualification after +2. That's the first step. And the second thing is that you should do your IELTS certificate. You should have your IELTS certificate with you. So the IELTS certificate should be in general GT module, and the second one, it should not be very old. I mean, it should not be more than 1 year old. So it should be in GT module, general module, and it should not be more than 1 year old. So that's the second certificate that you should have. And the third certificate is that your certificate, nanny certificate. That's the most important one. All the certificates are important, but still nanny certificate is also an important one. So there is a myth that nanny certificate is not necessary for nurses and all this, but it's a myth only. You should have your nanny certificate, and it should not be bought from anyone. You have to do a nanny course, and you should have the essential skills that they are looking for. And the nanny certificate should be from a valid institution, very reputed institution. There are certain steps that you should learn inside your nanny course. I mean, which is prescribed by the NOC requirement, all that stuff. So we do nanny course, and we will give you a online verified certificate. So you can contact us for nanny course and all. So if you are a graduation in not in computer or any other technical field, you have to go for 6 months course itself. Otherwise, if you are a computer based graduation, if you have done your graduation or diploma in computer or something, you don't have any kind of experiences or anything, then I will recommend you to do at least 1 year course. So for any details, you can contact us, right? That's the third certificate. You should have your nanny certificate. And the fourth one, that is your work experience certificate. If you have done any kind of jobs in your previous tenure, I mean, whatever that you have done. So it can be, the certificate should be there, an experience certificate. Either it can be an experience certificate, otherwise an employment history. I mean, if you're still working, you can get a certificate from that you're currently working there. So such kind of a certificate is necessary. And the certificate is 1 year or 2 year, that's fine. So if you have certificate, that's okay. And it's not a must certificate, but if you have, it's better. And so if you have 2 years experience, 1 year experience, that's fine. So it's completely fine. And the experience can be from any kind of experiences. Like if you are a teacher, that's fine. Your experience is valid. Otherwise, if you're a nurse, that's okay. If you worked in a home, otherwise if you have taken some home tuitions or something, otherwise you worked in somebody's home, so such kind of any certificates, any experiences are valid for applying for nanny course, sorry, nanny visa. So any kind of, but it should not be bought from anyone. You have to earn it. So be genuine with the embassy. That's the fourth certificate that you should have. And the fifth one is your Red Cross certificate. Red Cross certificate means it's a first aid certificate. Almost all the city has Red Cross branches, Red Cross chapter, I think they say it as a chapter. So Red Cross, they are conducting every month. They are conducting courses like 10 days, sorry, 15 days course of CPR, first aid, and all these stuffs are taught in that course. And it's a better one. If you have, that's fine. Otherwise, even if without a Red Cross certificate, you can apply for the nanny caregiver visa, but it affects you. So I suggest you to do that. And the bonus is that if you are a married person, then the marriage certificate is a mandatory cheese. So mandatory thing. So if you are married, then go with your marriage certificate also, because your spouse need to apply for the work permit, open work permit, after you are getting your visa. So for that, you should submit your marriage certificate also with this. So this is just a certificate list only. These are the 5 certificates and plus 1. So these are the certificate list only. The document list we have uploaded in another video in the same channel. You can check out about the detailed list of documents that you have to submit while you are applying for nanny caregiver visa to Canada in 2020. So the channel is all about nanny course and the caregiver visa. So you can subscribe this channel if you want to know more about this. We are uploading videos on a daily basis. We have complete knowledge about this because we have 5 branches in Punjab, and we assisted almost 1,000, not almost, more than 1,000 students in this 10-year period. So you can message us, call us, and we are conducting webinars on weekly basis. You can click the link below and register for our next webinar. So we will update you whenever we are conducting that. So you can get a detailed information about nanny course, nanny scope, and all this stuff we'll be discussing in that webinar. So stay tuned and subscribe this channel. If you have any kind of comments, if you have any kind of doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and we will reply you as soon as possible. So stay tuned, subscribe this channel, hit the bell button, and share it with your friends if you think it's valid. So thanks for watching.